Well, hello there. My name's Nikki, and welcome to Nicolette Ward Counselling. Have you ever found that you have long silences, eggshells, and you don't know how to navigate around the house? You might even still be living under the same roof and not been intimate for years. You might be wondering why your spouse is angry with you or doesn't seem to open up to you in the way that they used to. So here is where we start the work. Love isn't always enough, and there is always rupture, there is always repair, but love is what will get you through. We lean in, we turn towards, and even when it's hard, I would like you to have a look, especially when it's hard. And often couples come to me in total crisis because they've left it too long. Love is not easy. It's full of pain. And there are days when you wonder why you're in this relationship. Book your free 15-minute call today, and I will be here waiting to support you.